So today in this video I want to talk to you how you can connect the GoPro 12 to your phone. So no matter what phone you got, so you can have iPhone or Android, you still can connect this GoPro 12 with your phone. So in this video I'm gonna use my Android phone, so it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just basically download the app, which you can find in Play Store, or you can go on GoPro website and you can download from there. So let's have a look and let's connect them together. So GoPro with your phone. So as I said, no matter what phone you got, you can have iPhone or Android, you still can connect them together, which is pretty easy. And yeah, let's have a look. So I got them two devices here on my table. That's a GoPro 12, that's my personal phone. And now let's have a look and to connect them together. So basically go on Play Store. Okay, let's Play Store. Now all you have to do is just look for the app, which is called Quick. Here you go. In my case, I already have this app installed, but so I'm gonna open the app. So basically, opening the app, make sure you're turning on your GoPro as well, which is turning on now in my case. Avoid subscriptions, all this I don't need. Now just click on GoPro, which is here in the corner, and as you can see here, you need to turn on your Bluetooth. So turn this one on. As you can see, it's searching my GoPro, so give it a while. For some reason, if you still have same issue, you can't find your GoPro, all I have to do is just reinstalling, so deleting the app. So basically I'm gonna delete the app again. So it's some problem with the GoPro application, so I had this issue for a couple of times. And go on Play Store again and install the application again. And let's wait for the application to install. It takes a while, so let's wait. It's pretty, to be honest, I pretty much like this GoPro. I even bought a kind of silicone case for it, so I try to look after my gear. Okay, so it's still not done yet, just wait a bit more. Okay, it's still installing, give a couple of minutes more. So here you go, the application is installing right now. Here you go, it's installing right now. And give it a couple more seconds as well. I know it takes a while, but it's the same thing if you have an iPhone. You just go on the App Store and download this application. So now we're gonna open this application. Yeah, it's open. I don't need that. Continue as a guest. Yes, I do own a GoPro. Yes, let's set up a GoPro now. Connect your camera. It's asking to allow to use your location. Just click allow only when using the app. So now it's searching my GoPro. It should be on. Yeah, it's on. So it's asking what kind of GoPro you have. You're gonna have to choose which one you have. In my case, is GoPro 12. So I'm gonna click 12. Now connect, and now it's searching again for the camera, which again takes a while for some reason. There you go, no camera detected. Now if you can't find your camera, all you have to do is just follow the instructions on your application. So go on menu here and pair a device, and now let's try again. So as you can see here, we found your GoPro. Just now click connect. So as you can see here as well, you have Quick app on my screen as well. Now let's go back on the phone. You can name your GoPro. I'll just keep as it is, so leave it as Hero Black. I don't need to subscribe. If you want a subscription, you can click subscribe for auto upload. So basically every time you're gonna create a footage, it will be auto upload to the cloud. To be honest, I don't need that, and I'll do that later. So here you go, your GoPro is black ready. So basically now my phone is connected to the camera, and I can now record video, look at the videos I've made in the past. Device not used with GoPro quick. So again, some reason this application it's sometimes pulling back from my camera. Connect. I think that's some problems with the GoPro application. I don't know, they still haven't sorted them out. So as you can see here, that's all my footage. You basically can do pretty much everything from your phone if you want to do remote footage or remote images. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it, and thanks for watching guys. Thumbs up as well. I really hope you learned something from this very short video. Feel free to subscribe as well. Any questions, do ask them below and I'll try to reply back as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you next video.